What's up, everyone? All right, well, here we are. We got to the end of the week, and I'm finishing with my fourth red day of the week. So, kind of in a little bit of a slump here. Definitely market related, just not seeing a lot of follow through. Sometimes after a really hot week, which we had last week, things you sort of have that lull. But I was expecting more follow through, more continuation of last week's momentum, but it really has just come right back down to sort of a standstill, which is tough. This is not part of my small account challenge. I'm not gonna start trading in the small account. I've gotta get it set up, I've gotta open it, make some decisions about broker, software, tools, everything else. So I'm gonna have videos specific to that that'll be part of the small account challenge playlist. For the rest of the month of October, I'm just gonna keep trading in my main account. I did bring down my share size today, which was good. So I was trading with 3,000 and 6,000 shares, being more conservative because, I've been having a little bit of a rough week. So I'm going to continue to trade with smaller size going into next week. And what's interesting is today I was up about $975 before I started to go into red. And I'm wondering if, it might be better to focus on only taking like one trade a day right now. Only because we're really not seeing a lot of follow through. So maybe if I set my standard to, I'm only allowed one trade each day, so it's got to be good quality. Then I'll be a little pickier. I'll take that one trade, and if it doesn't work and I go red right away, I'm out. I'm done for the day. If it works and I'm green, hey, if I make 500 or $1,000, that's awesome. Sometimes one trade I can make $2,000, $3,000. So maybe one trade a day? I don't know. Just kind of something I was thinking about. But give me your thoughts on that below, down in the comments. I'll respond to them, and I will see you guys first thing, of course, on Monday morning, and I'm gonna have some videos coming up for you on Saturday and Sunday. So make sure you stay tuned for that, and I will see you next week. All right, so I'm just gonna do a quick recap of today's trades. 3 stocks, 3 losses, so that's it. 3 strikes, I'm out. I'm not gonna keep trading today. So this has been, the end of a, pretty difficult week as far as small caps go, which is disappointing. There's no question about it. But this morning, I kind of knew it would be a slow day, and I certainly didn't get nailed too hard on anything, but CGIX, this was a reverse split stock. Tried to take a trade on it for the break of 4. That was right through here on this pullback, which was a 5-minute setup. But as you can see, it didn't hold that level. So it, popped up, hit 4, double topped, reversed off that level. TROV, this one, I got in for the break over 60, high a day break, thinking that it would get a squeeze up to 70. So 10-cent target, stopped out with a $50 loss. And then TWMC was the last one, and that was the biggest loss of the day. And on this one, it hit the high day Momo scanner. It had this pullback, and I got in at 88, anticipating the break over 5. But you can see, obviously, that that didn't work out. It hit a high of 510 right here, dropped back down to 447. Big spreads. This is the type that could have opened up. It's got a very low float, which is why I jumped on it, pretty quickly. I looked at that and I thought, okay, this is a stock that might make a move. But no, today wasn't the day. So I wish I only took 6,000 shares of it, but when a stock drops 50 cents on you, it's the loss is going to be a little bit bigger. So that's just part of the deal. There's nothing really else to cover on it. Just not a lot of follow through today. I'm really hoping that things do pick up in the coming weeks with the new small account challenge. My plan is that during the next couple weeks, I got to do the application. I got to make some plans about how I'm going to trade, what strategy, and all that sort of stuff. So for the next week, as we finish up the month of October, I guess I'm going to just try to salvage what's left of the month and try to hopefully finish the month in decent shape. But today, wasn't going the right direction. So continues to be a little choppy. It continues to be a little frustrating, and it's one of these things with trading. You know, when you're up, you never feel like you're going to be down again. When you're down, you never feel like you're going to be up again. But, you know, this is how the markets work. It's the up and the down, it's the ebb and the flow. And it's all about averages. So, you know, I'm sitting up $300,000+ on the year. It's been a good year. Maybe would have liked it to have been a little bit of a better year at sitting, you know, here in October. Might have been nicer to be up 400 or so, but you know, it's part of the deal. So today's a day where I'm not below my max loss, right? So I could easily continue trading. And if I continue trading, you know what would probably happen? I'd probably end up going deeper into the red. And so that's what happened yesterday. So I'm gonna take the cue, 3 strikes, I'm out, and I'll be back on Monday. All right, so that's the game plan. I'll have some videos that I'm gonna post over the weekend, so you guys should check them out on YouTube, and I'll see you guys first thing on Monday morning. Hey, did you know that I go live every single morning between 9 and 9:15 to stream my pre-market watch list? Subscribe to the channel, press the bell for the alert, and you'll get the notification.